The international terminal of the Mumbai airport has earned its spot as one of the most artistically acclaimed airports of the world. The task was to create something that suited the environment and even grabbed eyeballs. We came up with a spectacular car design that illuminated the affluent MRF Perfinza tires in the eyes of each and every passenger at the airport. Intricately crafted, using 1,700 specially customized LED lights, perfectly engineered to stand on steel pipes. The installation turned out to be nothing short of a visual spectacle. There weren't many travelers who could miss a chance to marvel at the masterpiece and take pictures with it. Not only did it find a place in phone galleries, but also got a premium upgrade to social media platforms. More than 3 million people were reached across 3 months. And even the most sought-after personalities lauded the stunning creation. Like every other good design, this one too had become like a language that people had started to speak.
I am more into innovation and this is very catchy. This is one of the best way to travel.
It looks nice. And I just feel like taking a picture with it and posting it on Instagram.
Perfinza by MRF.
Hi, my name is Rajesh Sawant. I am a sculptor. To bring alive an installation that will reflect the persona of the new Škoda Rapid was an interesting and challenging project for me. What stood out when I first saw the car was the beautiful crystalline design language that the new Škoda Rapid embodies. It gave me the impression that it was carved out of a single piece of crystal, cut to perfection. And so, this unique design inspired me to create my artistic interpretation of the new Škoda Rapid. My sculpture depicts the car being born out of a single piece of crystal rock, which to me is the perfect expression of the stunning design of the car. I sculpted just the front section of the car so that people can relate to the sharp lines of the car, which blend seamlessly into the crystal rock which it emerges from, thereby distinctly bringing out the crystal form.
Škoda. Simply clever.